pass under the bridge, look on your right. You will see there's a gigantic wheel. That's the Coca-Cola London Eye. Have you been on the London Eye yet? Yes. No, maybe? Are you gonna go today on the London Eye? Well, it's the perfect day to go on the London Eye because of the weather today. But believe it or not, even if it's raining, even if it's cloudy, you can still go. On the left of the cheese grater, this curvy building on our right is the walkie-talkie. The walkie-talkie was on the news when it was built. Because of the shape, the sunlight was reflecting on the windows and then reflecting on the street. And it melted a very expensive car. To be specific, it was a Jaguar. Not good. So they had to change all the windows. Now the windows are very dark for that reason. Also, you will see at the top, there's a beautiful sky garden. Few restaurants, you can go all the way to the top for free and basically have the same view that you have in the Charlotte. Shh, don't say to anyone. So it's very, very nice. Highly recommend. They have live music in the evening, nice hotels.
Tak, ja leciałem stąd. No, na Wyspach Kanaryjskich.
Now, the sandy building on our right